we've been very blessed through it all, but it was definitely scary in the beginning. The doctors didn't really know exactly what the girls would be able to do, how fast they would progress. There isn't really a timeline for this kind of thing because it's so rare and has only been done so many times. So the fact that the girls have met certain milestones and it's only 3 months after surgery is fantastic.
Honestly, I tell people this all the time, as hard as the situation has been, I would not wish it any other way. I would go through this again. We dealt with the situation by design, you know, and I believe that we are able to handle it, and that's why we were chosen.